This tiny thing is super impressive. That's what she said. It's a fairly affordable USB-C DAC. It has a fairly unique design with this aluminum casing and this transparent window up front. This thing has both a single-ended and a balanced 4.4mm output, so you can connect both of those cables. And it performs amazingly well. This DAC has a powerful amplifier that outputs up to 150 milliwatts of power in this balanced connection. That's more than double what this thing can do. It's the Audio Killer D07, one of my top recommendations in this price. But yeah, this one from EPZ performs way better. This does cost more than the Audio Killer, it's not cheap, but then again, it's not expensive. It's still under $50, which is considered budget. And we are not done yet with the features. It has its own standalone volume buttons, which are super satisfying to press, and you can enter a high gain mode by pressing them both. It even has 5 built-in filters, so you can customize the sound. You can cycle between them by pressing and holding both of them. I honestly didn't notice a huge difference in all audio tracks, but I did favor the fourth one that tries to deliver a more balanced natural sound, and I like that. This thing also has something called pseudo-differential stereo, which is a technique of splitting the audio signal into 2 channels that essentially reduces noise and improves quality overall. It can also decode higher-end audio formats like DSD. That's not a common feature across many other DACs. So this thing's a solid upgrade for mobile setups compared to dongles like these. These aren't bad, but the TP35 is noticeably better. Now I did notice that this thing got slightly warm when I was using it. I was outdoors and this thing got like 2 degrees warmer than the room temperature, nothing to be concerned about. It's probably because I was doing this dangerous activity called touching grass in direct sunlight, and that may have heated up this all black metallic body. I'm guessing. Either way, it didn't affect the performance of this thing at all, so it should be fine. The amplification on this is seriously good. Like at the max volume on this thing, I just had to keep my phone at 30% and I could drive all my IEMs without any problems. It works especially well on IEMs that thrive on a little bit of amplification like the SimGoat SuperMix 4. But due to that 150 milliwatt capacity on the balanced port, it should be able to power slightly more demanding audio stuff too. I haven't tried any high fidelity headphones with these. I've mostly used IEMs and I'm happy with this. So if you're looking for a first hi-fi DAC compared to a generic dongle, then you can consider this. I'll leave a link in the description.